Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've welded. Got my wife's butterfly cup full of ice water because it's like 100 degrees inside of the shipping container. Trying to keep as much dust out of there as possible. So what we're doing today is I've got this tire changer that I've had for a long time from Harbor Freight, and I need to do a slight modification to it because I need the tire changer because I'm tired of trying to do tire work on my workbench in my shed, and I've got a couple tires to do. So I've got this plate. I'm gonna weld it to the bottom of the plate on here so that I can mount it to a very small concrete pad that I poured that goes about a foot in the ground. It's square on top, but then it's got a post hole that goes a little ways down. And so the goal is to, that eventually is gonna have a post with the same size plate holding the post up for a lean-to off the shipping container here. But I thought for the time being, since I've got so many extras of these plates, that I just weld it onto this and use it until I can get a more permanent spot for this thing. So that's the job today. First thing I gotta do is cut the corners off of this so I can actually get the bolt holes to match up. You may be asking yourself, why don't you do it off of here? Well, it's because these bolt holes don't line up with the plate that I'm mounting it to. And the plate that I'm mounting to, it's, like I said, only temporary. I've got the same plate that's eventually gonna be welded to a steel post that's going to be holding up a roof that comes off the side of my shipping container to keep material underneath. All right, I think we should be about ready to weld it together.